Welcome to our deep dive into Daniel chapters 10 to 12. Whether you're new to the Bible or just curious about its mysteries, these chapters hold keys to understanding prophetic visions. Buckle up, because this is both intriguing and enlightening.
Daniel chapter 10 opens with a riveting scene where Daniel receives a vision during the reign of Cyrus, king of Persia. Daniel is in mourning, fasting, and praying for insight for 3 weeks. Suddenly, a man in dazzling attire appears, a supernatural figure that terrifies those around Daniel. Daniel alone sees the vision and is left weak and trembling. The man reassures Daniel, telling him that his prayers were heard from the start, but a spiritual battle delayed the response.
This man is believed to be an angelic messenger, hinting at unseen cosmic struggles that play a significant role in our world. In chapter 11, we dive deeper. The angel reveals a future of conflict and intrigue among kings, highlighting the infamous king of the north and king of the south. These passages predict a series of battles, alliances, and betrayals, illustrating the turbulent course of history. Verse 32 is particularly poignant. But the people who know their God shall stand firm and take action. This line reminds us that amidst chaos, faith and courage can steer destiny. Finally, chapter 12 shifts to the end times. The angel describes a future great tribulation unlike any before, emphasizing the importance of endurance. Key in this chapter is verse 2. Many of those who sleep in the dust of the earth shall awake, some to everlasting life, and some to shame and everlasting contempt.
This verse is foundational in the Jewish and Christian belief in resurrection and final judgment. So, what's the takeaway from these enigmatic chapters? They connect personal devotion with cosmic events and historical shifts, revealing that faith perseveres through the unseen.
In Daniel's story, we learn that no matter how overwhelming the challenges seem, we are part of a grand narrative filled with purpose and hope. Thanks for joining us on this exploration. Stay curious and remember, what you see is not all there is.